Hello and welcome back to another one today here from Coron. Already been here for a couple of days and unfortunately didn't film one very good day of activities. We had a scooter, went out of the tourist area and went up. I try to go a little forward to show you the viewpoint. Went up a hill where we had that beautiful view over Coron. It was stunning, and we took a scooter ride to the outskirts to a private beach. Well, not a private beach, but a secret beach. Hi, how are you? Good. Good, thank you. To a secret beach where we've been all by ourselves, and we had that nice guy climbing up a tree for us to give us some fresh coconut. Look at this. This is the viewpoint. Doesn't look that impressive on the camera, I think, but it is a bit more than 700 stair steps to go up, and well, during those temperatures, when you arrive at the top, you are quite sweaty. Coron is actually very famous for its cashews. They are big for cashew harvesting here, and we found or discovered a cafe on the way down, which is the Good Grind. Hello Kuya.
Hello guys.
Kamusta ka po?
I'm okay. Good morning. How are you?
Good, thank you. Mabuti po.
So you're filming, huh?
Yes sir.
Oh wow.
So we already enjoyed a good coffee here, but I didn't try the, where is it? There it is, the cashew butter coffee. So as I said, it's very famous for its cashew nuts here. I think this is a good place to try that. I never had a cashew butter coffee. So what is the difference for cashew butter coffee? What's in there?
The cashew butter coffee is actually the Coron Islands, coffee. They said that their tribal culture are the ones just like manually grinding their own, coffee and stuff, and then we're just like getting it from them. So we just tried to play around with the flavor. We cold brew it, and then we put their cashew butter. That's no sugar, pure organic, 100%. And then we just mix them all together, all the crazy goodness in Coron Palawan, and that's the flavor that it brings.
Alright, yeah, sounds nice. Yeah, I shall try one. I'll definitely have one of those.
Cool, you got it.
What do you recommend? Have it hot or iced?
Ice is way
Ice?
better for this hot summer.
Alright, I'll go for ice one. What are you having, Kai?
Oh, you know me, I get the house blend iced tea. I'm the iced tea guy.
Alright, that's a cashew butter. Is it Coron cashew butter?
Correct. Like
Alright.
all natural Coron, no preservatives.
Oh, so cool.
Yeah, they have their own factory in here. So this guy is actually making like one gelato, like all of them. He grew it like from farming to like he's making his own gelato and stuff. And then he later on venture out with like just growing his own farm and putting growing more cashew. He saw potential in cashew until he was able to create like the perfect blend for cashew butter.
So that's the cashew butter, and then you have that's the cold brew coffee.
This is the cold brew coffee from Coron Palawan.
So Coron cashew butter and Coron coffee.
Island coffee.
Yes, island coffee. Very nice. So it's a very local product.
Correct.
In the blender.
And mix all the crazy goodness.
Nice. So look at that, guys. He's got all different sorts of coffee. The finest coffee, Palawan Island's finest coffee. So it's very, very local products. And I had the iced tea yesterday as well, which was really good. Like, it has a strong tea flavor. It's really good iced tea. And it's located right at the foot of the viewpoint. So very good. After you come down, you're all sweaty. You come inside, it's nice and cool in here, and you can have a little drink. It's a very good place for a little refreshment. Well, then here goes the coffee. Blended for quite a while. And it smells so good. Wow.
But we had to drive very slowly.
Here you go, guys.
Oh,
Enjoy
thank
your
you.
cashew.
Awesome.
Thank
Oh,
you, man.
hold on. Gotcha. Salamat po. Alright, here we go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Let me know your thoughts. If you don't like it, I'm gonna give it for free.
Don't worry, it's hard for me to not like anything. Look at this, guys. This is our cashew coffee. Good grind. Enjoy the sea, sun, and a good cup of coffee. Suits me. How can somebody not like that? That's amazing. That's so good. It got this nice nutty flavor. Goes so well with the coffee. It's really good, bro.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Appreciate that. That's one of our signature coffee. So we have cold brew lemonade too, and then cashew butter.
It's really good. I'm usually a black coffee drinker. I drink black coffee without milk, no sugar.
Right.
But this is a really good mix. And very refreshing as well.
Thank you. That's non-dairy.
So it's just coffee and the cashew butter, right?
Correct. Coffee, cashew butter.
Do you want to try?
Sure, of course.
So good.
Damn, it smells, the nut flavor is really strong. It doesn't even taste like cashew. I think it tastes just nutty, like the coffee with the nutty. If you would give me this, I wouldn't guess it's cashew actually. Like
That goes really well. That's one of my, that's like a new favorite on the list.
Thank you. Appreciate that. I'm glad you like it.
Come around and check it out, definitely. So good. All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Take care. See you next time. All right, guys, that was our coffee. That's done. So make sure you don't miss this spot. Good grind. You literally come right down the stairs from the viewpoint and you have it right there. All right, now we've got a long walk. We're gonna go to get a boat with a driver. The spot is about an hour walk away from here. And the tuk-tuk to get there is quite expensive. So we'll start walking and see if maybe along the way someone will pick us up for a fair price. Otherwise we walk all the way. We don't mind walking, exploring, and see what we can find along the way. Alright, about 4.5 kilometers walk, and we made it. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is where we're gonna go for a little boat tour. And apparently it's only 300 pesos, and we'll be out on a boat for 2 hours going to different snorkel spots. The marine park 50 meters away. Let's go in. And the walk was quite cool, very interesting, walking through local areas. On the way back we're gonna go and might stop somewhere for a little snack and show you along the local area. Alright, down this way. Hello, how are you? People are so beautiful here. We had smiles, hellos all the way down. Filipinos are just very amazing and friendly people. Hello. Alright, here we go. Hi guys. Look at this. Wow, that's so beautiful. Hey Paul. Look, you've got a basketball court right at the water. Look at this, everyone. I'm assuming we go on one of those beautiful boats and then just head out. Apparently the first spot is quite close to here, so let's just go and organize ourselves a ticket. Hey guys, how are you?
Good. Welcome to Certificados.
Thank you. How do you pronounce it?
Certificados.
Certificados. Thank you. So that's the price. Boat 200 per person. 200 if we for two people per person. And then we just need to get ourselves some snorkeling mask. Hey guys, how are you? Where to get the ticket? In here? Yeah. Okay. Hello, Paul.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
Oh,
Kamusta ka?
fine. Mabuti.
Mabuti po.
Mabuti po. Oh.
We're like a boat tour for two people.
Boat for no people. Oh. For two people is boat with captain. It captain and 300 per person.
Yes. Okay.
Including entrance fee.
Including entrance fee. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And how much for snorkel mask?
And 100, sir. 100.
100 per person. Okay.
Yes,
All right. Then we would like to have the boat with captain
Yes,
for two
sir.
people.
Yes, sir.
And two masks.
800.
I can pay with.
Okay.
Select two and try to your face.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Do.
Ang pangalan mo?
Big ang pangalan ko. Big
Big
Victor. Victorious.
Victorious.
Victory.
Thank you.
Big.
Yeah. Victorious.
Alright.
That looks good. Oh, here we go. Copyright music. Let's turn it off and bring it back in a second. Alright, let's hop on. Hello, Kuya. Kamusta ka?
What's your hit around?
Yes. Down there? Okay. What's your name, sir? Samuel. I'm Sam. Nice to meet you, Samuel.
Nice to meet you.
Alright, on the boat. It's okay, no problem. So we've got the sunshade here as well.
Some of us.
A little roof. And alright, let's sort ourselves out. Just past 12 o'clock, so we're riding out in the midday sun off to our first snorkel spot. Wow, look at this. Amazing. It is so good. It's a little private tour for only 400 pesos. That's amazing. So the 400 includes the boat tour and the 100 pesos entrance fee. And the mask. Yes. So, what a steal. Well, only about 3 minutes later, and we arrived at our first spot. So, let's get the mask on and hop into the water. Look at the color, that's so amazing. Alright, I forgot to bring the handle for the water, so so I just have to hold the camera in the hand and be careful to not drop it, because it's getting quite deep, I think. Yes, I'm not very good at diving, so I wouldn't be able to retrieve it. But let's go towards the island. We have 1 hour in this spot and 1 hour in another spot. Let's see what we can find. That was our first spot. That was really nice. As you can see, I'll show some clips. So many beautiful fish, sardines. I went for the sardine run in Marlborough and I didn't catch any, just a handful of sardines, and there were thousands here. It was incredible. What a good little snorkel spot. So we're done with the first one, heading off to our second spot. Look at here. So the second spot is literally just across. It's not even a proper boat ride, and we get another hour to dive here. Let's see what we can find. We gotta change location, and there's so many jellyfish in the water right here. I don't know if it's like the season for it or something, but it's stinging everywhere. On the arms, on the legs, and unavoidable at this spot, so let's head towards the next spot and see if it's better there. Okay, there's a little lagoon where we can go in and have a little swim. Did you find the entrance?
Here? Is it up there or here? Yeah, that's really small.
Alright, there's no water in there anyway.
The water?
No,
Oh, there's water, but it's not much.
like a puddle.
Yeah. Then you go further up. I don't know.
Wouldn't call that water.
Nah, in this water I won't go either.
Oh. Alright, let's have a look up there.
I think it's just the outside. Yeah, you can just look around.
Okay.
Or you mean like we have to swim here? Yeah, I'm not sure.
Beautiful regardless. Yeah, the third spot was not too bad. Not that many jellyfish, but not as lively as the first spot as well. Beautiful. Alright, we're done. So overall, it was a really nice experience. For that money, island hopping is way pricier. Of course, you get a few more things in there. I think it includes food and some drinks, and you get to spend some time on the island. But if you want to have a cheap little trip, I would definitely recommend this. So it's only 4K out of the town center, and 400 pesos gives you 2 hours and a private experience on a nice little boat and this view. So it's very enjoyable. Definitely recommend this. Hey Big Vic, returning the
Oh!
snorkel.
No, yes, yes. Exactly. No different. Oh.
Salamat po.
Maraming salamat, sir.
Have a good day, Vic.
Have a blessed day.
All right, what a good experience. Oh, walking back and trying to find some food along the way. Looks like we've got some ice cream. Let's see what flavors the brother got. Hello Kuya, kamusta ka? You have ice cream?
Yeah.
What flavor?
Mango and obi.
Ube. Can I have mango and ube? How are you? Want ice cream or not?
I'm good, I'm good.
Mix.
Mixed, yes. Awesome. Nice little refresher on the way up. Magkano po?
20.
20. Salamat Kuya. Look at this, 20 pesos for a nice mango ube ice cream. Especially the mango is really good. On the way down, we've seen a bakery. I definitely want to have a little stop there as well. Barbershop. I need to look for a barbershop as well very soon. Hi. How are you? Literally all the way down like this. So many kids as well, and of course they want to communicate. Every other foreigner is just driving by. So far we are the only two that walk the way. We didn't see anyone else walking. Look at this, we found the little bakery. And that's crazy. They're only like 5 pesos each. 13, 15. A chocolate bun, 5 pesos. Oh my gosh, I need to control myself not to buy one of everything. Especially because I'm hungry, I know myself. Hi there, how are you? Can I have, what's your bestseller? This one? Choco German.
You're the Choco German.
I just wanted to say that's like my nickname. Alright, I'll take one Choco German, of course. And can I have one Choco bun as well? They look pretty good. And maybe a Uber roll. $20, okay. Salamat. Right, good for a little snack along the way. Thank you. Okay, let's go with the Choco German first. Do you want a piece?
Go ahead, first eat, bite in.
Not too bad. Not too sweet.
Yes, I had one.
You want to eat something?
Yeah, I'm asking you. You didn't have anything so far.
I'm all good. Whenever you want.
I'm gonna go. I had breakfast.
Okay, let's try the ube roll. Same thing here. Not too sweet. It just has like a little subtle flavor. And the chocolate roll. This one is nice and sweet. Not much inside. Most chocolate is on the top. Alright, I've spotted something from across the street. Cheeseburger for 35 pesos. Oh wow. A foot-long hot dog for 50 pesos. That's crazy. Alright. I want to get some in. Do you want something from me as well?
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can I have one cheeseburger? Two cheeseburger, please. And I think I'll take a TJ hot dog sandwich as well. That looks pretty good.
It does.
Alright, so it's all prepared. It's just warming up in the microwave real quick. Okay, salamat. Salamat po. Thank you. Alright, here we go. One for you. Go with the burger first. Does it rival McDonald's cheeseburgers?
Well, that price, definitely. Definitely.
Alright, let's go. 35 peso cheeseburger. We've got the patty, the sauce, and hopefully some cheese in the middle. Not too bad. It's actually alright, eh? Right on the side of the street. Quick and easy bite. And we've got the little side street hot dog. Let's see if that's good. Actually not that bad. It's pretty good. It doesn't look so fantastic, but I like the taste. Hello sir, how are you? You've got some basketball jerseys?
Sorry sir, we don't have basketball jersey. I know some stores that sells basketball jersey.
Oh yeah, which one is that?
Near the BPI Bank, there's a two store that sells NBA jersey like this one.
Near the BPI bank on the right hand side.
Yes sir, yes sir.
Do you know if they have the Gilas Filipinas?
I think they have local jerseys.
Okay, cool.
National team.
Salamat po. Have a good day. Alright, maybe I don't have to wait until I'm back in Manila. You guys helped me out so well in the comments. I definitely know where to go in Manila now. So many people commented on this. But if I can find it here and wear it right away, that would be pretty cool. Alright, and to round up the day, I mean, it's already nighttime. We had a shower and a chill. It's time for some dinner. Hi guys, how are you? So my favorite places to go is always local barbecues, and I've been to this place the last couple of nights. It's beautiful. It's Sulit BBQ. They have skewers, and usually they have. Do you have chicken thighs as well today?
Chicken?
In asal?
Yeah.
Yes.
2 pieces.
Huh?
2 pieces.
I'm not too sure yet. Just wanted to know if you have. Give me 1 second with my order. I haven't decided what I want to eat yet. I'm not too hungry today, but alright, we have pork skewers, sausage, that's liver and pork intestine, and also they got pork belly and chicken thighs. I might take 1 chicken in asal, 2 pork, 2 intestine, and what's this?
Intestine.
It's also intestine. Okay. No, I take liver, 2 liver sticks. Okay, 2 liver, 2 intestine, and 2 pork, and 1 in asal, chicken in asal. Salamat po.
Thank you, sir.
And then you have, hi there, you have the little area where you can sit down. I always have to be careful with my head. I already bumped into it once, but yeah, pretty nice and good to have a little protein dinner. Alright, that comes our first course. Our skewers are ready to go. They already brought us our dipping sauce. What kind of sauce is this one?
A sweet one.
It's sweet.
And this is like a
This
little
is
bit spicy.
vinegar, right?
Yeah, so and a little bit spice in it.
Sweet, but what's in there? I know it tastes very good.
You can ask.
Sorry.
Can you tell me what's in this sauce?
It's soy sauce and liver.
Liver. Ah, okay.
Liver's in this
Liver,
sauce.
sugar, and a little bit of vinegar.
All right, because it's very nice.
Yeah,
Very
it's
good
very
sauce.
good. It's very good.
Yes,
Thank you
we
so
like
much.
it.
Yeah, it's very good.
And then we've got chili oil and some soy sauce. So you get your meat, your skewers. Look at this. Oh my gosh, nice. This is a 5 pork.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, this is yours, bro.
Thank you.
Salamat.
And you want soup?
Sure.
Yes, why not? Thank you. Look at this. This is the pork intestines. Then we got the pork meat skewer and a liver. It's really good. I really like them. It's all charcoal grilled. And my to-go meal. I can have this every day. Same goes for Kai. He's always down for some skewers. And the good thing is, especially in touristy areas, it's a fraction of the price as what you pay in the tourist areas for Western food and like Korean and Japanese restaurants. It's very cheap, very good, affordable. All right, let's dig in. I need some chili oil. There comes a soup.
You want more chili?
Salamat. More chili? Yes, please. She already knows my taste. Alright, let's add some chili oil. Salamat. Some chili. I always like to mix the chili oil and the soy sauce and crush some chili in there. Just like this, and then I have one chili or two on the side to just take a bite from. Alright, look at this. I'll leave you a tag down in the description so you can find it on Google Maps. And if you come at the right time, you get some free entertainment as well. Look at this. Hello. Kamusta ka? Hello. Huh? I cannot hear you. What'd you say?
What is your name?
My name? Sam.
Sam.
Yes, what's your name? Anong panglang mo?
Michael. Anong pangalan mo sa iyong page?
My page? Simsimsam.
Simsimsam?
Yes.
TikTok?
On YouTube. YouTube.
What's Simsimsam?
My name?
I'm
Sam.
Sam. I'm sure.
Nice to meet you.
His name is Siri.
Chidi.
Siri.
Sidi.
This his name is Roem.
Roem.
Yes.
Okay.
My name is Mikey.
How?
Mikey.
Mikey.
How old are you?
How old do you think I am?
56.
Oh, I'm
42.
34.
Okay.
56. Can you imagine? What? People call me fat, they call me old. What's going on in the Philippines? Can you show me again how you dance?
Yes.
Yeah? That look good. Are you guys dancers?
Yes.
Yes? You practice every day?
Yes.
Tagalog? Konti lang.
Hey, she said you see our solar eclipse
Solar eclipse?
Yes.
When?
this year.
This year?
Yes.
No, I didn't see it. I didn't see any.
Dito. What is his name?
His name is Kai.
Hi.
Yes. 56.
That's your age. Don't lie.
Crazy. Hello.
Shy.
So shy. But she wants to be here. Oh, second course. Which way around? Hold on. This was yours? And the pork belly was yours, right?
Yes.
That's all good. We can do it. We can handle it.
Yeah.
Don't worry.
I'll just put the pork belly here.
There you go. Look at this. Chicken inasal. So it's a part of the chest and the wing. And this is his pork belly. Alright, let me grab my weapon of choice. The good old hand glove. Fresh from the barbecue. It's still very hot. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so nice. And they always put this nice marinade on it. Alright, I'll put you away and eat that up. All done and time to go. Thank you so much for the food. It was really delicious. And if we don't see each other again, good luck with everything. Take care. Oh, see, that's what I mean. Take care. Ingat. Thank you so much. Take care. Thank you. I already had my outro, but I found something. Guys, let's have a quick look. Hello guys, how are you? You think you have my size for basketball jersey?
You try, sir. XL, the biggest size.
XL?
Yeah. Okay, I will get the.
What we have? L and XL. This one. That's the biggest size?
Yeah.
Could fit.
How much are they?
680.
680. Is it fixed price?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. I'll try it on. Can you hold?
Yes.
Alright. After eating my chubby tummy. Wow. I gained so much weight in the Philippines. Your food is too good.
Where are you from, sir?
Germany, sir.
Germany. Dark Nowitzki.
I know, yes. Dirk Nowitzki.
Hello.
I mean, it fits. I would say.
Do you have a mirror?
Over there.
Okay, I'll go and have a look. There it is. The bag a little down. One size bigger would be better, I think, right?
What size is that?
XL, it's the biggest size, I think, right?
Size. Not
the biggest
XL.
size.
Yes. I'm a little fat for this one, eh? Look at this, you can see my
Or to go
to lose some weight.
Lapit mo? Ayun.
Yeah, I think I need one size bigger. I need XXL. Unfortunately, it doesn't fit. But I think otherwise it suits me well. Okay, salamat po. Thank you so much. Second time today. Only in the Philippines. Yes, everything is Filipino size. Not just the jerseys, the entrances as well. Alright, that's really where we're gonna leave it for now. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and catch you in the next one.